Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to buy Robux using PayPal. Robux is the virtual currency used in Roblox and you can purchase it directly through PayPal, and here's how. Firstly, go to PayPal Roblox gift cards page. You'll find it on this website. Select the Robux gift card amount you'd like to purchase, $25, $50, or even $100. Choose for me if you're buying it for your own Roblox account, and if you're gifting it, you can choose for a friend. Now tap the buy button below to continue, then sign in with your PayPal account credentials. Review your order, confirm the payment, and done. You've successfully purchased Robux using PayPal. You'll receive digital code via email or directly in your PayPal account, which you can either redeem in Roblox or just write the code to successfully get the Robux you bought. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.